Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 4 Turbo, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then in the contact settings, tap on block numbers. Your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number or two numbers, depending on how many you've got assigned to this specific contact, and tap on block. As you can see, we've got those characteristic icons, which means that from now on your device will block this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now you have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in the general, enter blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist, and those numbers are from our contacts. Here you can also tap on add a number and manually enter the number, so you do not have to save it on your contact list. Tap on block and it will be immediately blocked. Here you've got this option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and basically your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. To unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.